Mellow 94.7 sounds good. LDS, or Letter Day Story, live on stage 1, still playing for us. Let's get to some questions from our listeners over Facebook. Awisha says, a request for LDS, please play Marry Me of Train. Saying hi to Sir Paolo Vitog, pakasalan mo na po si Boss Berna Constantino. Baka maagaw pa ng iba yan.
Example naman.
Just a short line.
Para sa'yo. Wishin. Member ng Team LDS yan. So, sino papakasalan natin?
Paolo Vito going out to Berna Constantino.
Pag hindi na pakasalan, hindi ko alam. If I ever the words say it. Yeah! Woo! Next time, we'll do it na kompleto.
Okay, another one. Hi to ICB. Yuna Ginger. Can you ask them if they already have girlfriends? Well, we answered that earlier, but maybe we can be more